What's up? We're here in South River, New Jersey, Memorial Day. The parade is coming down the street right now. And it's Monday, May 25th, 2026. The weather is actually really nice. It's 68 degrees. Boom. So let's check it out. Let's check out the parade. There's some people here on the street. Up here. We're shooting in HLG, HDR. Actually wasn't going to shoot this in HLG, HDR, but I'm so used to it. It's like, if I do something else, it's like digressing. Anyway. Like even an iPhone video would be kind of cool too, or a live stream. But I figured, hey, let's just go all out. The parade goes about 2 blocks, I think. I'm not even sure. But pretty solid, pretty cool. It's Memorial Day. It's been a bad weekend with the weather. So a lot of things were canceled, but this one is going on, rain or shine. It's actually starting to rain now. So unfortunately with the camera, I should have brought an umbrella. I didn't know it was going to rain, but it's starting to rain now. So this isn't a good idea for the video. I might have to actually put my hat over the camera. It's Eddie. What's up, brother? Yeah, I know people. So actually, I got to put my hat over the camera. So my hat is over the camera right now. I hope it doesn't mess anything up as far as the view. But it's starting to rain now, so it kind of ruins the whole filming out here with the camera. I can't get the camera wet. So we do have the hat over the camera. I should have brought an umbrella, but I didn't. So what am I going to do? So this weekend's been bad with the weather. We gotta protect little big guy, our Pocket 3 camera. I hope the hat isn't in front of the camera, everyone, but it's raining, so what can I do? I definitely should have brought an umbrella. I didn't really think it was going to rain. Who thought it was going to rain? Hey, what's up? How are you? See, I know a lot of people. Hopefully the hat is helping to keep the camera dry. I got to improv here. Little big guy, we can't get him wet. So they stopped the parade here for some reason down there. And is that where the parade ends? Maybe the parade ends here? I am not sure. That would make no sense. No, something happened. I don't know why they stopped. But let's just walk this way. Because it's raining, that's why. If it wasn't raining, we wouldn't be kind of in a hurry to walk around and see the whole parade this fast. But yeah, we have to walk and try to keep dry. So yeah, we got A lot going on here. Okay, the rain's slowing down a bit. That's a good thing. I'm not sure why everybody stopped. It's a little different for some reason. Okay, so yeah, everybody stopped in the street. I'm not sure why.
Like I said.
I hear an old Model T or something like that. Oh yeah, there we go. Looks like an old Model T. So, is that the end of, oh, there's more coming, okay. We have all the fire trucks and everything there coming down the street. Got a whole swool of emergency vehicles here. Wow. Okay, it seems like the rain subsided. Let's see. We don't know yet. It looks a little cloudy still. I don't even want to say it. It's starting. As soon as I say it, I feel a little drizzle. Oh, man. So let's walk. Let's walk down here. This is super cool. South River, New Jersey. So we got some East Brunswick here too. Cool. Sayreville. These are all neighboring towns here. South River, Sayreville, East Brunswick, all in the same spot. Hey, puppy! What's up, puppy? So we got, wow, look at this truck. That's cool. That thing got a cool horn. Very cool horn. Super cool horn. Awesome horn on that one. If there's any spots on the cameras from the rain, lots of people out today, hanging out. Got the bikers. South River in the his house. Memorial Day 2026. Oh yeah.